Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and this is the bottle holder from Dessing Wish. Too many times I have been stuck on a bike ride with no water, dying of thirst in the heat, and so this was such a lifesaver. It comes in a pack of 2, so we personally use this on our bikes to take hydration on the go. But it comes with fully adjustable straps, which means you can put this anywhere. So if you have a side-by-side and you want to bring a bottle with you, you can use this, an indoor bike, your treadmill, anywhere that has a bar where you can attach these Velcro straps, you can have hydration. So the straps are really nicely made. As you can see, they have this wave pattern, which is grippy. So it stays in place and you can tighten up the Velcro strap. You can also trim it off if you're gonna be leaving it in that location and you don't want the excess hanging. There are lots of different ways to loop this. So you could do 2 in the same direction, you could do a cross pattern, you can do just 1 if that's all you need. So very customizable that way. You can hold several different sizes of bottles, and it has the little toggle at the top, so you can tighten it right up so it doesn't fall out. I also really like that it's insulated, so if you're bringing cold water, you want it to stay cold, this will keep it that way even in the sun. It has a drainage hole at the bottom if you have condensation, and it has a pocket, so you could put your keys in here, ID, your phone, whatever it is you want to take with you. So we've been very pleased with these. I highly recommend it. Always have water with you. This is a great way to do that, and that's my point of view.